Right. Next topic you write. What is agriculture income? Just the meaning of agriculture income. Meaning of agriculture income. You write 2-3 lines. You have to write some points. Section 10(1). Section 10(1). Section 10(1) exempts agriculture income from income tax. From income tax. So this we know also. Now, which section defines agriculture income? We should learn that. Which section defines? एक short note है agriculture income. You write under section 2. Under section 2. In bracket 1A subsection, this one, this section, under section 2 subsection 1A, agricultural income means colon dash, you write some points. Point number 1. Below you write point number 1. Means we are now discussing what is agriculture income. We know it is not taxable, we know everything. But what is it? That's what I am learning now. Number 1, any rent or revenue derived from land which is situated in India and is used for agricultural purposes. Number 2, any income derived from such land by agricultural operations including processing of the agricultural produce, raised or received by rent in kind. Rent in kind. When rent is not paid in cash, some goods are paid. Suppose rice is paid, so rent in kind. So as to render it fit, fit for the market or sale of such produce. Next you write number 3. Income attributable. ATTRIBUTABLE. Income attributable to a farmhouse, farmhouse, subject to certain conditions. Next you write 1 point. Any income, new para. These are the 3 points. Now new para. Any income derived from saplings, saplings, saplings or seedlings, seedlings, seedlings grown in a nursery, shall be deemed to be agricultural income. So if anybody asks you what is agricultural income, this much can be the answer. There are 3 points, and this is an additional point. 3 points mainly. Number 1 point, any rent or revenue